Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about one of the most essential elements of our life, water. We all know that drinking water is important, but did you know that not all water is created equal? In this video, we'll be discussing the different types of water available and which one is the best for our health. Water is essential for our survival, and it is important to ensure that we are consuming the right type of water. There are different types of water available, and each type has its own benefits and drawbacks. In this video, we will explore the various types of water and discuss their advantages and disadvantages. Tap water. Let's start by talking about tap water. Tap water is the most common source of drinking water in many parts of the world. It is generally safe to drink as it undergoes several treatment processes before reaching our homes. Treatment processes include coagulation and flocculation, sedimentation, filtration, and disinfection. Coagulation and flocculation are the first steps in the treatment process, where chemicals are added to the water to remove particles and impurities. The water is then passed through a sedimentation tank, where suspended particles settle to the bottom. Filtration is the next step, where the water is passed through layers of sand and gravel to remove any remaining impurities. Finally, the water is disinfected using chlorine or other chemicals to kill any bacteria or viruses. While tap water is generally safe to drink, it may contain contaminants such as chlorine, fluoride, and heavy metals, which can be harmful to our health in large quantities. Chlorine is added to water as a disinfectant, but it can react with organic matter to form disinfection byproducts, which are harmful to our health. Fluoride is added to tap water to prevent tooth decay, but excessive fluoride consumption can lead to dental fluorosis and other health problems. Bottled water. Bottled water is another popular choice, but it's not always the best option. Some bottled water is just tap water that has been purified, and it may not be as safe as we think. Bottled water is also not environmentally friendly and can be expensive. Plastic bottles take a long time to decompose, and they can harm the environment and wildlife. The production and transportation of bottled water also contribute to greenhouse gas emissions and climate change. Mineral water. Next, we have mineral water. Mineral water is natural water that contains essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, and potassium. It is sourced from underground springs and is considered to be one of the healthiest types of water available. Mineral water is naturally carbonated and may also contain trace amounts of other minerals like iron, zinc, and copper. These minerals can provide health benefits and improve the taste of the water. However, it can be expensive and not readily available in all parts of the world. Mineral water is also subject to strict regulations and must meet certain standards to be labeled as such. In the United States, for example, mineral water must contain at least 250 parts per million of total dissolved solids, and these solids must be naturally occurring. Filtered water. It can be either tap water or spring water that has been filtered to remove impurities. This type of water is generally safe to drink and can be a cost-effective option. Filtered water is also more environmentally friendly than bottled water, as it reduces plastic waste. But it's important to note that not all filters are created equal, and some may not remove all contaminants. Activated carbon filters are one of the most effective types of filters, as they can remove chlorine, heavy metals, and other impurities from the water. Reverse osmosis filters are another option, but they can remove essential minerals from the water as well. Alkaline water. Alkaline water is another type of water that has gained popularity in recent years. Alkaline water has a higher pH level than tap water, which is typically around 7. Alkaline water has a pH level of 8 or 9, which means it is less acidic. Some people believe that drinking alkaline water can help neutralize acid in the body, reduce inflammation, and prevent diseases such as cancer and arthritis. However, there is limited scientific evidence to support these claims. In fact, some studies have shown that drinking too much alkaline water can disrupt the body's natural pH balance, which can lead to health problems. Distilled water. Distilled water is another type of water that has been purified by boiling and condensing the steam. This process removes impurities and minerals from the water, making it pure H2O. Distilled water is commonly used in laboratory experiments and medical procedures because it is free of contaminants. However, distilled water lacks minerals that are essential for our health, such as calcium and magnesium. Drinking distilled water regularly can lead to mineral deficiencies and other health problems. Spring water. Spring water is sourced from natural springs and is considered to be one of the healthiest types of water available. Spring water contains essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, and potassium, and it is naturally filtered by the earth, which removes impurities. Spring water is also naturally alkaline and can have a pH level of around 7.5 to 8.5, which can provide health benefits. However, it's important to note that not all spring water is created equal. Some spring water may be contaminated with pollutants, and it's important to ensure that the water is tested and meets regulatory standards before drinking it. So, what is the best water to drink? It ultimately depends on your personal preferences and needs. If you have access to safe tap water, then it can be a cost-effective and environmentally friendly option. If you're looking for water that contains essential minerals, then mineral water or spring water may be the best choice. If you want to remove impurities from your water, then filtered water may be the way to go. It's important to note that drinking enough water is more important than the type of water you drink. Staying hydrated is essential for our health, and we should aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day. It's also important to ensure that the water we drink is safe and free of contaminants. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one.